Mamelodi Sundowns goalkeeper Ronwen Williams has opened up about how the team has managed to cope following the unexpected departure of coach Rulani Mokwena, a development that sent shockwaves through South African football. Sundowns, who clinched their seventh consecutive league title at the end of the last season, were hit with the surprise news of Mokwena's exit in July. The reported split due to a broken working relationship came as a shock not just to fans but also to players themselves. Williams admitted that the team felt blindsided by the decision, given how closely they had worked with Mokoena and the success they were achieving under his guidance. Ronwen explained this during an interview on MSW and said, "We all became very close to him and we were on the path to greatness, but the club decided to go in a different direction." Despite Sundown's dominance in the Betway Premiership, Williams feels there is still more to achieve. Addressing the team's current situation, he took it to social media and posted, "Sometimes when setbacks happen so early, it's for even greater things to come. People should be careful not to write us off too soon." While the league is only just restarting, Sundowns have already faced a setback, having been knocked out of an MTN 8 Cup by Stellenbosch FC. This early exit has placed added pressure on the club to demonstrate that they remain the powerhouse they are known to be in the league. Williams also stated that yes, it's going to be tough at first, but we can see things others can't. We are just one step away from being the Sundowns everyone recognizes. You can see it in our training sessions and even in our matches, though we've been unlucky in the ones we've played so far. Williams remains optimistic that the early challenges will fuel a resurgence within the team and said, "I'm glad it happened now because it's going to spark something different in us. Setbacks like this can lead to greater things." With the Betway Premiership set to kick off this weekend, all eyes will be on Sundowns as they begin their quest to prove they are still a force to be reckoned with even after the departure of their esteemed coach Rulani Mokwena. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.